What do you know about this brush? The Sumi brush has its origins in China, dating back to the 3rd century BCE, and was refined in Japan for sumie, a tradition of painting with black ink. Unlike Western watercolor rounds with a tuft of single or blended filaments set in a metal ferrule, Sumi brushes are long and pointy, tapering to a fine tip. The filaments, set right into the handle, may have a mix of stiffer, darker hairs on the outside and more absorbent ones inside. They're relaxed, not springy. That's because they're made for a different kind of painting. Instead of applying direct pressure, you use the weight of your hand and the brush itself to control your strokes, letting you capture everything from quick gestures to the most delicate lines. Designed to be loaded up, you can use them with all types of ink and water-based media to create long, expressive lines and beautiful, nuanced gradients. Into calligraphy? Then we probably don't need to tell you, but these brushes are perfect for painting and writing. In China and later Japan, the two art forms influenced each other in all sorts of ways. It's a cool reminder of the close connection between the two creative disciplines, and how a tool, like a brush, can hold so much history and meaning.